In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Threads link from your Instagram profile. If you want to clean up your profile, simplify the links people see, or just stop showing your Threads connection on Instagram, this is a quick and easy process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to remove the Threads link. Once Instagram is open, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your main profile page, where your bio, posts, and account details are displayed. From your profile, tap Edit Profile. This is where Instagram lets you manage the public information that appears on your account. After you enter the Edit Profile section, look for the Links option and tap on it. This area contains any links connected to your profile, including external links and, in some cases, your Threads link. Once you're inside the links section, find the Threads link listed there, tap on it to open its settings. You should now see the option to remove it. Tap Remove Link and then confirm the change if Instagram asks you to verify your action. After that, make sure to save your changes so the update is applied to your profile properly. That's it. Your Threads link should no longer appear on your Instagram profile. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to return to your profile and double check that the link has been removed successfully. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the app or closing and reopening Instagram. Sometimes updates take a moment to display. This is a simple adjustment, but it can be useful if you want more control over how your profile looks and what connections are visible to other users. Keeping your profile updated helps make sure it reflects exactly what you want people to see. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove your Threads link from Instagram quickly and easily.